Alright guys, so thank you for showing interest in promoting a PLR massive bundle. So the very first thing we want to do now is to get your affiliate link. So if you have not gotten your affiliate link, click on the link inside this post, the post up there. You see a link there to the JV page. So it's going to bring you right here, which is the JV page right here. So on this JV page, this is where you get to pick your link. Yes, on this page here, just scroll down to bring you right here. Once you click on the link on inside the post there that says JV page, click here. So click on that click on that link to bring you right here on this page. Then just come here to say grab your affiliate link here. So once you click on this place, grab your affiliate link, it will now bring you right to this page. So this is the affiliate sign up page. So you just head over here. You want to request the product. Actually logged in from one of my second accounts, online monthly income, my business account. So that's why I'm able to request approval. So I just come over here and then click on request approval. So you see now I'm waiting. It's going to now, so you can see. So now since you are joining from my group, so that you can get easy access, just say hello John, yep, kindly approve me to promote your products, kindly approve me, anything, just say something, kindly approve me to promote your PLR massive bundle. You can just say all the best on your launch or something like that. So you can just make it actually applying from my Facebook group, yes, that you're part of those who showed interest in promoting. So just go ahead and then click on request offer. Like this, you want to request to promote this. So once you request, you might not get instant approval, especially if you are new to the on Warrior Plus. If you have not made any sale before, you will not get instant approval. So you just wait. I'm going to approve you, and then you will get your link. So you can see here right now, I think I'm not I don't have enough stats actually on this account, so that's why it's going to be I won't get my link instantly. But if you have had some sales before on Warrior Plus, then you will get your own link instantly. So that's all about that. Just click on the link in the post above and then go ahead and then request for your own affiliate link. So once you get your link, then we can now continue from that place. So I want to say something now. So here in this challenge we're actually doing, if you make 10 sales, yes, 10 sales, you make 10 front end sales and then maybe one upsell, you make one upsell sale, I'm going to send you 3,000 naira. Yes, 3,000 naira. Remember, you're going to keep on front end. Let me show you. Remember, you're keeping 100% of the profit. So $9, if you make 10 sales, which is $90, you're going to keep all the profits, and then you make maybe just one sale. Yeah, out of any of these ones, you just make one sale out of any of this. So I'm going to send you 3,000 naira as a well done bonus for promoting and then for actually doing the work and then making profit. So you'll be actually making a lot of money. You're making $90 on this and then an extra 3,000 naira for promoting this. So remember, the first thing now, go ahead and then request your link. So if you have gotten your link, please comment under this post so I can push in the next step that I'm going to take now to start getting your result and putting your affiliate link outside there the right way. So I'm going to see you guys soon. Don't forget, just two things you need to do now. Click on the link in the post to get your affiliate link, and then click on what else? I've forgotten. Click in the post to get your affiliate link. Once you get your affiliate link, yes, then comment under this post right here on Facebook. Comment that, let me know if you've gotten your link, and then proceed. I'll message you on what next you need to do. So I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.